This week we are going to sew the matching set from last week's video. If you're interested in making the pattern yourself, check out the video in the upper corner. And if you want to support my channel, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's sew the set. So what would I do differently next time? I chose a very difficult material, sateen viscose, and it is quite glitchy. And I ended up sewing the top darts at the front and symmetrical. And I was super sad because I ripped them apart several times and they kept ending up unsymmetrical. They were completely messy, and I was so sad that I posted on Instagram that I'm not satisfied with the project, and I don't know if it will be a project for the bin. And many of you wrote me that it doesn't look so bad as I thought. Many of you wrote it looks quite well, and I went to bed, and the next day I thought, okay, yeah, it doesn't look so bad actually. And then I gave it a try and I sewed down the buttons today, and no, I must say it's quite okay. It's not my best project I ever did, but I'm not used to wear cami tops. It's something new for me, and the last time I wore cami tops I was a teenager, and it's, I guess, 10 years ago. Nonetheless, thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you like the project and if you want to sew it yourself, and hopefully we see each other in my next video. Bye!